Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin our video on US 11 North at mile 227 in Augusta County, Virginia. Throughout much of this video, US 11 has one lane in each direction, plus a shared or variable center turning lane, occasionally turning into a 2+1 configuration where a passing lane may be needed on an incline. We enter the unincorporated community of Jolieview, which had a population of 1,168 as of the 2020 census. Throughout Jolieview and part of the upcoming city of Stanton, US 11 is called Greenville Avenue. Nearby is the Valley Railroad Stone Bridge, a historical stone arch bridge spanning Folly Mills Creek. Constructed in 1874 by the Valley Railroad, this bridge is 15 feet wide and 130 feet long over 4 spans. Made of granite and embellished with ashlar facing, it features semicircular arches upheld by gently splayed piers. Acquired by the Virginia Department of Transportation in 1965, it remains a picturesque landmark visible from Interstate 81. Here, the road widens as we begin to get into a more urban setting. US 11 junctions with State Route 262 here via a 3/4 cloverleaf interchange. State Route 262 in turn connects to I-81 and I-64 just to the southeast. We enter the independent city of Stanton, and you might notice the occasional shadow of the words Augusta County in the upper left corner of your screen. I missed the fact that this was an independent city when I made the initial overlays for the day's filming, and caught the error while compiling the final video. All I could do was try to cover it up, but that doesn't always work perfectly, as you can see here. Although Stanton is not part of Augusta County, it is the county seat, although most of the administrative offices of the county are in neighboring Verona. The region was first settled in 1732, and by 1760, Stanton had emerged as a significant remote trading center in the back country. It played a crucial role in organizing the transportation of large quantities of grain and tobacco. This shift occurred as Britain transitioned from being a net exporter of agricultural products to becoming an importer. The city served as capital of Virginia in June 1781 when state legislators fled Richmond and then Charlottesville to avoid capture by the British. Currently, Stanton hosts the American Shakespeare Theater, a theater company headquartered at the Blackfriars Playhouse, a replica of Shakespeare's Blackfriars Theater. The Stanton Music Festival, which marked its 20th anniversary in 2017, offers numerous concerts daily featuring venues in downtown Stanton. Additionally, the Queen City Mischief and Magic Festival, in its 4th year as of 2019, has rapidly gained popularity among Harry Potter enthusiasts, drawing over 10,000 attendees in its 3rd year. This festival, held in downtown Stanton, features games, events, and shopping attracting visitors from across the East Coast. Stanton also proudly claims the Statler Brothers, renowned country music artists who, until 1994, entertained crowds with free concerts during the annual 4th of July celebration, often joined by other country music acts. Here we begin a very brief concurrency with US Highway 250 just until we get past this railroad underpass. Then we'll make a right turn onto Commerce Road and we'll pick up a short concurrency with State Route 254. Here we see the northern terminus of US 11 truck. We passed the other end of that just after we entered the Stanton city limits. We also pick up a concurrency with US 250 truck. We conclude today's video at mile 238. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.